Hi students, so today I want to introduce a tool that can be very helpful when you want to share your code with other people or even for your future, okay? So this one is called Replit, R-E-P-L-I-T, okay? So you can go to, on your browser, you can go to replit.com or just repl.it. Any will do, okay? So I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, the first thing you'll meet is login. So just choose login, and then it's easy to use a Google account. You can use your parents' Google if you don't have an account yet. I think it's not allowed for children below 13 years of age. So you can use your parents' account, and then you'll be able to create an account on this Replit. It's a good place to share your code. And that's what we always use for our classes, for our coaching sessions. So once you're done with all that sign up and all that, you'll be able to see a screen similar to mine. And then you can create a repo. So for example, I'll just create a repo here, a simple repo, and just call it, click on create repo, and then here choose Python, and then on the name, give it a name that you want. So for here, I could just say sample LKC repo, okay? Repo, and then create. So by default, it's always public, okay? And you can see the link is right here. So it means if I share this link with anyone, this is my username. So yours will be something else, and then the name of the repo. If I share this with anyone, they can be able to go and see this code. So let's for example go to, assuming that I've shared with you this link. And did I copy it really? Let me copy it first, and then let me come here in private and just try and load it. They'll be able to see something like this. So with your friend, your mom, your dad, you can share with them this link if they want to see what you've been working on. And then let it load. Normally it will, so just forget about this, let's keep for now. Oh, they want me to do that thing, okay. Just choose what was, okay. And this is what they see. They'll see the list of files they can see. If they cannot see, if they see a blank page here, they can just go to show code. It will be right here. So let me write something here. For example, let's just write a simple hello world, okay? So print habari dunia, and if that is okay. Okay, and if you come here, did it save? I think it saves on, let's refresh. Anyways, this is like for the person viewing, so let's forget about it, let's close. But if you're viewing, you'll be able to see something like this, but you can also run your code. See, just click on run here, and you run the code the same way we've been running on our Visual Studio Code. So that's just a nice trick to note. You can create files just the same way you've been creating on Visual Studio Code, sample file.py, and you can write your code right there, and you can run it on run. Okay, another quick one on running. On running, this one now, just don't want to go into details of this, but just click on shell. There's a command called ls, it's called listing, ls. Run that command, you'll see the list of all your folders and files. So we want to run sample file.py. We'll just say Python. So let's write something there first. Let's print out 30 times 450, okay? So let's run, and let's save that, and let's run Python sample file.py. You see what I did here? I just typed SA and I pressed tab. The tab key is the one before Q. That's the tab key. Okay? If you just type SA, any file or sample, then tab, it will complete for you. That's called auto completion. Press enter, and then you can see that's the multiplication of 30 times 450. So it's running this file, this code that is right here. yeah, so something to note. I hope this will help you for another thing that you want to do. See you.